Hey, everybody, guess what? There's another finished car on my workbench. And you know, when I finish a car, I give you a little review of it. So today I got something a little different. If I could stop shaking the camera, I got something a little bit different for you guys. I have an AirFix beach buggy, a 1/32 scale, vintage classic kit from the 70s. This has been a re-release from the 70s. So, little background here. This kit was picked out by my niece. So, you know, I had to build it because it's special to me. So, I got to tell you, obviously being a 1/32 scale, this has got to be the smallest kit I've ever built. So, the box real quickly, it's just the same picture over and over again. It says it's skill level 1 or 1 flying hour. I don't know what that means. Skill level 1. There you go, right there. And it's just the same picture over and over again on the box. So, I opened it up and I decided I'm going to do it a similar color here. So I did a metallic orange here, which is very close. So let me take the box away here. I've been speaking for a minute and you have yet to see the model car. So let's give it a 3, a 2, a 1. And there we go. I'll let it focus and we'll circle it around for you. So the paint is Tester's Extreme Lacquer. I think it's like fiery orange or something. I gotta tell you, it's pretty close to the box there. Anyways, thought that was cool. So, like I said, gotta be one of the smallest kits I've ever built. If I put my hand up here, you can see how small it is. Fits in the palm of your hand. So I gotta tell you, this kit here was a lot of fun. Like I said, a little something different. Went together fairly easy. Like I said, it is a skill level 1. The only problem I had, let's flip it on its side here. So, you got the engine in the, let's do this first. You got the engine in the back here, because it's an old Volkswagen, I believe. My one exhaust sits a lot lower than the other one. That was the best I could do with it. The little manifold, it's kind of hard to get in there on the exhaust there. That was not quite as easy as it probably should have been. But everything went together very simple. You build the back engine here, the rear suspension, and then the front suspension here. I had problems putting this all together. That just kept wanting to fall apart on me. And then it didn't want to stick to the base here. And then one of the wheels kind of broke off when I was trying to get it in there. So the one wheel, I don't know which one it is, but the one wheel is held together by a lot of super glue. And then the body fits over the chassis. As you can see, got a little bit of a glue bomb thing going on over there. Fits onto the chassis. That side looks a lot better. But you kind of had to clamp it down a little bit to keep it onto the chassis there. So it comes with 2 figures. It's got the little driver. First time I've ever done a figure person. Kind of got 70s things going there. He's got the leather vest with the red ascot. Got the classic blue jeans. I think he's supposed to have a mustache. Didn't have it out. And then there's a bikini lady, which I just didn't even start yet. I painted her to skin color, needed another coat. Haven't even worked on that yet. So, half naked lady, man. She's got some abs, man. Look at that. Anyways, the other thing I did not do to it was put these little light markers on, which you can see on the box. The little side lights. These things are about that big. And I had lost the one when I was trying to cut it. So I just left those off. Put on 3 decals that were available. I put the license plate. The little trumpet thing, which I'm not sure what that's for. I keep wanting to say maybe from an old trumpet air kit, but I don't know if AirFix or trumpet air kit. Either way. And then the British flag, because that's kind of cool. I'm not British, but it's still cool. So the around the window, that was painted with the Tester's chrome marker. The black around the back here, which apparently on the box is actually the same color as the car. I didn't realize that. Actually, was done by a fat Sharpie. Did a couple coats over that. Pretty cool. It's got the seats, which I probably should do a little more detail on. The dashboard goes underneath. I painted the same color as the car. Just picked out the chrome parts. And a little steering wheel in there. Guy's hands didn't really want to go around the steering wheel right. I didn't want to mess with it too much. I didn't want to ruin it. But here is the kit. Oh, and then I just did the Tester's silver pen around the pink pen around the edge there. Give it a little chrome look. So here it is, my friends. AirFix Beach Buggy, 1/32 scale. Highly recommend kit. This is a kit you can throw together in a weekend. If you're doing a 24-hour build, this is definitely a recommend. Alright, everybody. Hey, as always, I thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you watching. I appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate if you're not subscribed. I do appreciate if you hit the like button. I appreciate if you hit the dislike button. I appreciate you writing. I always try to write everybody back. I say try to because I know a few slip through me. Try to write everybody back, but I always appreciate you watching. And share it too with somebody if you know somebody who would like to see this. Alright, everybody. That's 5 minutes of me giving you a review, it's recommended, of the AirFix Beach Buggy. Alright, everybody, stay tuned for some pictures, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.